Hello, today we're going to do something a little different. Instead of using the Learn to Code curriculum, we're going to branch out and do our own custom program. And to do this, we're going to use our open up playgrounds and click here, New Playground in the upper left-hand corner. So when you open a new playground, you have your choices here to open some of the Learn to Code code activities or the challenges, but we're going to do one of these starting point templates down here at the bottom. Specifically, we're going to choose the answers template. So if I choose get here, get will get me a new version of this template. And here it says answers, copy for. I'm going to go ahead and tap on that and rename this something like 1,000 diamonds. 1,000 diamonds. Okay, click done, and now we've renamed it. So if you tap on that playground, you get a nice starter template here that does some things. Let's actually run the code and see if we can see what happens here when we do this. So there's a show command up here as part of this template, and the show command simply prints out this what is your name message. What is your name message right up here in the upper right hand corner. And then there is a statement that says let name equals ask, and it specifies a placeholder in here called name, and it lets you put your name in this text box here. So I'm going to go ahead and put my name and then click submit. And after you click submit, this command runs, which says hi plus name, where name is the name that you entered. So in my case, it's going to say hi space Bill. Okay. Now we're going to play around with this, but we're not going to use, we're just going to use the show command in here. So if I'm going to go ahead and delete all this code, and I'm going to do my own thing in here with make some functions and for loops and play around and make 1,000 different diamonds. Okay. All right, so let's try this out. Let's go ahead and let's just do a quick practice with the show command to remind ourselves what it does. So if we say show, and then inside here we put quotes, we can put whatever message we would like to put in here. So again, I'm going to say, hello, Bill. You are looking fabulous today. And you need to end your message with a quote. So if I run my code, I get the message, hello, Bill. You are looking fabulous today. All right. Let's change this now to be show. And I'm going to see if I can print multiple messages on the one screen on the right here. So let's go ahead and put in here 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3, and then maybe a star, and then 1, 2, 3 more spaces, and that'll be it. And on the next line, I'm going to say show, and same thing, but this time only 2 spaces, 1, 2, then 3 stars, 2 spaces, and a double quote. Okay, and the next line, just 1 space, star, 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 5 stars, and a single space, and I think you can see where we're going here. And on the last line, let's say show and fill up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stars. Okay, so we should have 4 lines here, and those 4 lines will hopefully make a nice triangle for us. So I'll run the code. All right, so we have a little triangle of stars. Looking good. Now, at this point, I like this a lot, but what I'd really like to do is to be able to make a triangle anytime I want without having to type all this code. Okay, so let's go ahead and copy this. Let's select this whole thing, Okay, and in fact, let's cut it out of here. So cut this code out of here. And let's define a function that makes a triangle. So func make triangle. And all a make triangle is going to do is paste, it's going to draw this triangle pattern. Okay? So if I say run my code now, I'm going to get nothing. Okay? Nothing's happened. And nothing's happened because I have never invoked or called my make triangle function. All right, so let's try this. Make triangle is now one of our new commands here. Make triangle down here. So if I hit make triangle, now if we call this, we can call make triangle. Okay, good. In fact, we can make 5 triangles relatively easy now. Make triangle, make triangle, make triangle, make triangle, make triangle. Run our code. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles. All right. Okay, looking good so far. We can make triangles whenever we want. And just as an aside here, what we're doing here is we're calling a function, and this looks very familiar to other things you've done, like, move forward or turn left, right? And what those are doing is just calling functions that the creators of those playgrounds made for you. So when you call move forward, byte is going to move forward. That's just a function that somebody wrote in that particular playground. And we're writing our own function here, make triangle. Okay. Let's add a new function here. Instead of make triangle, let's make an upside down triangle. Okay. So a new function down here, func make upside down triangle. Okay, where make upside down triangle, I'm going to just do the reverse of what I did before. Show, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stars. Okay, and then show a space, and then 5 stars, another space, and then end it. And show 2 spaces, 3 stars, 2 spaces, and show 1, 2, 3 spaces, a star, 1, 2, 3 spaces, and end it up. So that's going to make us an upside down triangle. And right after this, maybe here, let's call one make upside down triangle. And notice now we have this function defined, so it becomes one of the commands we can tap on in the autocomplete section here. Okay, let's run the code. We should have 5 regular triangles followed by an upside down triangle. Nice. Okay, I'm liking this shape here where we attach a make triangle to an upside down triangle. That makes this nice little diamond shape. So let's go ahead and do that now. Let's make a function called make diamond. And make diamond is going to be a composite of our 2 abstract ideas, make triangle followed by make upside down triangle. Okay, so we're compositing those 2 ideas together, make triangle followed by a make upside down triangle will be what's needed to make a diamond. Okay, let's go ahead and erase our code here and just make one call to make diamond. There's make diamond, and let's see how that looks. All right, nice. There's our make diamond. We could make 5 diamonds by calling make diamond 5 times, but I think let's go crazy here and let's complete this activity by making 1,000 diamonds. So let's erase this, and the way to do lots of things is to use a for loop. So let's repeat this thing a bunch of times. If I press 4 here, I'm going to get the syntax for a for loop that says for I in the sequence 1 to 1000. Then the code I want to repeat 1000 times. When I is 1, I is 2, I is 3, all the way up to I is 1000, this code will run, and the code I want to do is make diamond. 1000 diamonds. Okay. All right, let's run the code. There's diamond 1, diamond 2, diamond 3, diamond 4. 1000 diamonds we're going to make. All right. You can stop this at any time by pressing the stop button right here, or you can enjoy watching your diamonds accumulate. I'm just going to review what we did here. We used functions to abstract more detailed code, and these detailed code, we used 4 different show commands here to make a triangle. And then once we had a make triangle function, we no longer had to say show 1 star, show 3 stars, show 5 stars, show 7 stars. We could simply just call make triangle. And then we did the same thing to make an upside down triangle. And then we made an abstract idea, make diamond, which called our 2 other abstract ideas, make triangle followed by make upside down triangle. And finally, then we used a for loop to execute this 1000 times to get these beautiful diamonds rolling across our screen. Okay, that's it. We're going to be moving on here to another chapter called conditionals here soon. So check out those videos after you work on those activities in the Learn to Code section. All right, see you next time.